Hello and welcome to this video of this X2 xDrive 20i M Sport. This car is finished off in Alpine White and is a July 2020 registered vehicle. We've got the 19-inch double spoke alloy wheel. This car also benefits from having the sun protection glass on the rear. And as standard on the X2, we have a power tailgate operated by the key, like I've just done there. Moving into the boot, an extra nice deep capacity there, and this is a false floor, so this can be folded down if you need to store items away. That very handy 40-20-40 split folding rear seat there, and lots of handy tie downs and straps in the boot to keep any items at bay whilst driving. One fantastic feature of this car, but the great Magma Red Dakota Leather. Lovely offset against the Alpine White paint finish. Some lovely details of this leather perforation for the seats. A nice grey contrast stitch as well. Really gives some highlights and detail off in the car. The passengers have some ventilation controls down there. There's also two USB-C charging ports. Into the front. Some lovely specification in this vehicle. Head-up display, got the upgraded should I say, bigger ID6 touchscreen navigational system. Dual sound climate control there, heated front seats. Fabulous automatic gearbox, sports auto gearbox with the 2-litre turbocharged petrol engine. Cruise control and steering wheel there, and all the audio controls on the right. Honestly, being the M Sport model, fantastic M Sport seats as well. Loads of side bolster support. And that lovely perforation again, running through that Magma Red leather. If you require a more detailed video, or to arrange a demonstration drive, or need any more information on this vehicle, please do get in contact. One of our sales executives will be more than happy to help.